already, we are opening some more Animal Crossing amiibo cards, and if you haven't seen my first 2 videos on this one, go check them out. And no, I didn't just change my shirt for the 3rd time and film it on the exact same day. That'd be so silly. Why would I do that? Anyways, these are the cards that I got for my birthday, and yeah, we are going to unopen them. If you don't already know, which you should because you have seen the first 2 videos, you should know that I have the Animal Crossing amiibo card folders. We're just doing series 1, 2, and 3 because that's what I got. I do have 3 and 4. I don't have the folder for number 5, but I have folder 4 over there, but we don't need it. So what I have done, because I am a genius, is, ta-da! I have put the tape, still don't know the name for it, over it so that I know which cards I already have and what I don't, and let's jump straight into it. We are going to start with Series 3, and for Series 3, we are still after Lily. We're still after Marina. We're still after Mary. Please, can we please get Mary? Come on, guys. Come on, chat. Let's get hype. Hype in the chat for Mary. I'm going to be confident and snip the top. So please, it's just me in the middle. The middle part, I like did it, and because it was like a bit rougher than the top bit, I was like, please help me. I didn't just cut the card. Could you imagine if I cut it and it was Mary? Okay, 3, 2, 1. Balanchi. I don't think I have this villager. Now we have, ooh, Frigga. Sounds bad. It's probably not pronounced that way. I don't have her either, I believe. Also, what is with the lighting in my nostril? And then the last one. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I'm not sure if I have this Timmy or not. But again, if you haven't seen the first 2 videos, which you need to, okay, this isn't a, like, if you want, it's a need. It says Tina Snow has commanded it, so you watch the first 2 as well. All my videos, actually, watch them all. But first 2, I forgot where I was going with this. But, ooh, I have claws. I know I have claws. Oh, but at the end, that's when I say which ones we have double ups of, which ones we do or do not have. Then we have, ooh, Corterius. I love him so much. I think I might have him, but I'm not sure. And then the last one, ooh, Rover. I don't think I have Rover. Ooh, very, very nice, very nice. That was Series 2. Now we're gonna do Series 1, I believe. And for Series 1, we still want Opia, Portia, and Peanut. I kind of want Peanut the most. I think it's a squirrel, I think, but it's really cute. I also really like Opia because she is the elephant. Ooh, we got geese. I found so many chickens. Okay, it's ooh. I have Monique. Monique is cool though. And then last one, Tom Nook. I think I have it. Not entirely sure. We'll go into the next one. I'm definitely going to need to get more of these. I'm gonna have to spend my own money. So if you guys, my like Amazon link, no, I'm just kidding. I'm gonna have to eventually get some more, or hopefully, oh gosh. Goodness, is the first time this has happened. Then we have a double up of a double up that we've already pulled. Goose again. I already have T-Bone, and last but not least, and I also got Parcel. So that was the worst pull we've done so far because every single one was a double up. I know for certain, not because I filmed them all on the same day. No, I just have good memory from when I did film them. You know? Because I'm just like, got good memory like that, you know? But I'm definitely going to need to get some more eventually. So these are like $4.95 each. I'm definitely going to next is like, with my double ups, go and trade to see, maybe I can get Mary in the trade. That'd be really cool. And then from there, I'll like build up some more so that we can do another one. Ooh. That's not just me opening one card at a time. Series 1, Series 2, we are after, where is my little sticky note? I forgot who we're after. Sticky notes acquired. Felicity, Tipper, Pekia, and Ankin. I think I'm pronouncing it right. I was saying like Akian last time, but apparently that was wrong. But we have Broccoli. I don't know. Brocolo. So I think Brocolo. And then we have, ooh, I believe I have Gwen. Oh, but I have my peaked. And then I think we have Brooker already. But Gwen, I'm not sure. I don't think we have Gwen, but we will see. Last cards of the one. And let's see. Please, can we have Felicity? Please be Felicity. I am on my knees begging. Please be Felicity, please. Is it Felicity? Tell me, are all of them Felicity? Could you imagine if it was a whole deck of Felicity? Bam! Not Felicity. When you try your best and you don't succeed. Oh, so we have Angus. We didn't get Felicity. We didn't get a single of the ones that I was hoping to get, except for Beardo. Spoilers for the other video that I filmed a few days ago. Perhaps. I didn't, he wasn't in the list, but I did visually, I was like, I do want Beardo. So he was Nat. This one's cool. I don't think I have Nat. That's cool. That's probably the best one I've drawn through from this whole haul. These are all the cards that we got in this video. It's a lot. It's a lot when you like put them all together like this. Yeah, I think Nat's definitely my best pull from this ones, and maybe Rover as well if I don't have them. Yeah, this one was the cutest one we pulled, and let me just do my little thing and let's see which ones, how many double ups, how many ones we got that we don't have, and yeah, I'll be back in a second. Alrighty, so for series 3, these are the ones we did not have. So yes, we did not have Rover, that was a good one, and then we got just 2 double ups, so that's pretty decent. Number 3 one is doing, I think, the best wise, like with filling it all out. Still didn't get Mary Lily or Burrito, but maybe one day. Maybe next time I'll just get all the 3s. All the 3 packs. Series 3. And we'll go. And then maybe, possibly, we'll get Mary. Let me see whatever ones we had double ups of. Okay, so with series 1, these are all the double ups we had. We did have him, which is fortunate, unfortunate. I'm so surprised. We didn't have this Tom Nook, so that's cool. And we also didn't have this one, but because we got him as a double up with this pull, I'm like, so I didn't have you, so you're a win, but then I got you again, so you're a double up. So take that as you will. We're actually doing pretty well for series 2 as well. This is add the ones that are supposed to be added in your mind. And with series 2, this one was really good. So these are all the ones we didn't have, and we only had 1 double up of what we didn't. So that's pretty cool. I'm so happy. My brain never like comprehended Nat. Like, I've obviously looked at all the cards, but yeah, that was a shock. That was super a shock, because my brain just never like was like that. But something that's really cool as well, they're all numbered. So as you can see, the series 1 ones are 0, and the series 2 have a 1. I don't know why I didn't do series 1 as like 1, but I can't understand like starting from like 0, 1 and all of a sudden that going up. But it's good because when you're looking for a card, so this one, Whitney, is 148. They're all labeled here, so you can just go like oh, this is like where the 150 is, go down here. There's 148, so it's really easy in that regard of like seeing what you do and do not have. Yeah, thank you all so much for watching all 3 videos, because I know that you've watched them all. If you started with this one, go back, watch the other 2. If you've done in chronological order, then congratulations, you made it to the last one. High five. And yeah, I definitely filmed these all on different days, so like don't even question it. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure that you give the subscribe button a piece of weeds. Give it some weeds so that it can spread and have more subscribers. Yep, that's it. Our goal is 430 subscribers, so make sure you're being a part of that hype train. Thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate each and every one of you. I'll see you in the next one. Be safe, everyone. Bye!